Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this trunk trim on a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. First thing that you want to do is to remove the Torx holding this thing. To do this, from the middle you put a prying tool underneath it until you can get your fingers and start pulling, because it will have a lot of clips all around. Just an idea so you see what you are dealing with. They will come out of the plastic instead of the metal if this was never opened up, and there are lots of them all over the place, and you just need to go around and around and around and remove everything. Fun, isn't it? Careful at the corners, because this is latched into the one remaining on the car. To get these stupid things out so we can put back the plastic in, this is the only thing that properly works, and this is what you end up with. Only way to get them out. Plastic had no chance. At this point, when trying to put this back, be really careful. These things need to go into this. So yeah, do that first, then these things go into these holes and all the others in all the other holes. Align them properly. Keep in mind, on both sides, these ones at the radius are a different type. No clue why, but they are. These stupid ones right at the radius are the wrong direction. So I need to somehow get them out and rotate them 90 degrees. That's why they are different. Finally managed to slide this piece of shit back in. You need to slide it from here, and you have clips all around. They will not fit, they will not enter their holes. You also have the clips going into the plastic, that will not fit also. You have some sliders that go behind the metal, those will not go in place also. We wasted at least an hour pushing on this thing, but once that is done, you are starting to push all over and it will go in place. And now I need to put a screw and I'm done. But this is the worst piece of engineering that I have ever seen, honestly. And it's freaking done. So hope my video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, hopefully much easier than this stupid thing, and see you in the next one. Bye.